Hi everyone. Working with very wide data sources can be extremely time confusing, especially when you try to map a data source to data target. We created Automap dialog to help our users in these kind of situations. All you need to do is to press one button, Automap. There is a number of options you can use. Please pay attention to the date format, it is extremely important. As you can see, we selected the correct date format for this auto date field. And if we click map now and click OK, everything is mapped for us. All we need to do now is just to run our import. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like us to help you with transforming your data, please ask your questions on our support forum. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.